lunch idea. It's quick and easy to make, of course. These are my air fryer garlic mushrooms on toast. Super simple, but so much flavour and really, really tasty. So I hope you enjoy the recipe. If you do, remember to hit that like button for me. If you're new to the channel, then I'd love it if you would subscribe as well. If you do want a copy of the full recipe that's printable, then head over to my website, which is www.susannahskitchen.uk. You can also purchase my brand new cookbook over there as well. I don't know if you can hear that fluttering, but there's a butterfly that's just come in here just as I've started recording, which is typical. The British summer is definitely here. We've got black midges everywhere and they are driving me bonkers. So let's go and make the recipe. Today I'm making some air fryer garlic cheesy mushrooms, and they are going to be on some slices of garlic bread, which is going to be absolutely delicious. And this is all going to go into the air fryer. We're going to be using our rack to layer things up here. So I've got a dish that fits onto my rack just right, which is ideal. I've got my mushrooms here, which I've chopped up. Just going to spread those out on the rack there. I'm going to be using around a teaspoon of soy sauce over the top of those. Let's also season those mushrooms with some black pepper. And then I've got some garlic. So let's crush that garlic over the top of those mushrooms and just try and spread that out. Give that a little mix, and then we can get those onto air fry. So I'm doing this in 2 stages. We're going to air fry these to start with, and then we are going to add in the cheesiness and air fry again. So what we're going to do as well is layer up. So let's put this top section on here, and let's get our garlic bread slices on the top. You can fit on more than this if you want to, but I'm just making this for one person today. Let's lower that down, get the lid shut, and onto air fryer. I'm going to go on 180. So that's had 5 minutes. My garlic bread is nice and crispy. I turned the garlic bread over halfway. Now we can just move those mushrooms around. They don't take a lot of cooking. So they are doing pretty well in there and they smell really nice. Now let's make them super creamy by adding in some cream cheese. This is a perfect little lunch, or you could serve this as a starter, maybe if you've got people coming around for dinner. So I'm just melting in that cream cheese, and that's going to give us a little sort of sauce for those mushrooms. Also, I just want to add in a little bit of grated cheese. So that's going to make it really, really oozy and cheesy. Give that another little mix. It's not going to be very well combined, but once that gets some heat on it, it really will work. So back onto air fry, probably for another 5. So that is my cheesy garlic mushrooms on toast. Perfect, quick little lunch.